Welcome back our new conversation video. Our today's conversation have 3 characters: father, mother, and son. Father and mother are native speakers and son is beginners. They will talk about how to become native in English. I recommend you to follow father and mother accent and practice this. I use beginner's speech so that you can easily make difference between native and beginners. So let's start it.
Hey son, I've noticed you've been struggling a bit with speaking English fluently. Is there anything we can do to help?
Yeah, I feel a bit nervous when I try to speak in English. I stumble over my words a lot.
Don't worry, son. Speaking fluently takes practice. Maybe we can come up with some ideas together.
How about we set aside some time every day to practice speaking English as a family? We could watch English movies or TV shows together and try to mimic the way the characters speak.
That sounds like a good idea. I think hearing native speakers will help me get used to the rhythm and pronunciation.
We could also try reading English books or articles aloud, and then discussing them together. It will help improve our vocabulary and comprehension too.
Yeah, and maybe we can find an online language exchange partner to practice speaking with.
Absolutely, son. The key is consistency and not being afraid to make mistakes with practice. You'll become more confident in speaking English fluently.
Thanks, Mom and Dad. I feel more motivated now to work on improving my English speaking skills.
How about we also incorporate some role-playing exercises? Into our practice sessions, we can each take on different roles and have conversations in English, like ordering food at a restaurant or asking for directions.
That sounds fun. It will make practicing feel less like a chore and more like a game.
And we can use apps or online resources that offer language learning exercises and interactive activities. It'll give us structured practice and feedback on our speaking skills.
Yeah, those could be helpful too. I'll make sure to dedicate some time every day to practice with all these different methods.
Remember, son, it's not about being perfect right away. The most important thing is to keep practicing and not give up, even when it gets challenging.
I understand that. Thanks for your support and encouragement. I will do my best to become more fluent in English.
Additionally, we can try to immerse ourselves more in the English language environment. We could listen to English podcasts or radio stations during our commute, or while doing chores around the house. That's a great idea, dear. Immersion is one of the most effective ways to improve language skills. We can also try to have more conversations in English during our daily routines, like discussing the news or talking about our day at the dinner table.
I like that idea. It will help me practice speaking in more casual everyday situation.
Exactly, son. The more exposure we have to the language, the more natural it will feel to speak it fluently.
Thanks, Mom and Dad, for being so supportive and coming up with all these great ideas. I feel more confident already about improving my English speaking skills.
We're always here to help you, son. Just remember, learning a new language is a journey, so let's enjoy the process together.
You know, I also heard that practicing speaking English with different accents can be beneficial. It helps to improve pronunciation and understanding different variations of the language.
That's an interesting point, son. Maybe we can try watching movies or videos featuring speakers with various accents, and try to mimic them.
That sounds like a fun challenge. We can each pick a different accent to focus on and practice speaking like that for a while.
Yeah, that could be really helpful, especially if I ever travel to different English speaking countries in the future.
Absolutely, son. Being able to understand and adapt to different accents will make you even more proficient in English.
Thanks, Mom and Dad, for being so supportive and open to trying new things to help me improve. I am lucky to have you both.
We're always here to support you, son, together. We'll work on enhancing your English speaking skills and make it an enjoyable journey. I hope you found this video very helpful. Feel free to say your opinion in comment box. Like this video and do subscribe for more important lesson. Thank you.